Thank you for having me.
All right,
Miss
man.
Hart, pound
Nice
it.
job. Peace out. Well, this is a huge, beautiful yard, Ray. This homeowner has a lot of options on placement with their new pool.
He's got 5 acres worth of options.
We have so many planned communities in Florida that a lot of them have 0 lot lines, and it's difficult to even get access to the backyard to do the pool.
It's difficult, but it's not impossible. A couple of things that the homeowner is going to have to be made aware of is that we have small machines and we have micro machines. Those are available. They're an upgraded cost. Another issue, if you're going to do small or micro machine access, you might have to get a permission letter from your neighbor.
Right, the neighbors, sometimes the HOA, you have to get approval from them, so it's a complicated process.
I had a job on a golf course not too long ago. We pulled in behind a house about 300 feet down the golf course to build the pool that way. Sometimes it takes a little bit more creativity and ingenuity, but that's our job on our end, is to build you the pool that you want.
So this homeowner has no problems with access. You have plenty of space here, and they're kind of thinking about this area for their new pool. What are the things that have to happen once you identify the location?
The things that are going to happen is you're going to have your irrigation lines cut and capped within the dig zone. If you have a fence, you might have to have a couple of panels removed. If you have a tree like they have right there, you're going to have the tree removed.
Because it's not just the overhang and the space that the tree is consuming, but it's the roots underground that could cause a problem.
The last thing you want is the roots growing into the shell or pulling up those pavers that you just paid to make your deck so beautiful.
This is great information, Ray. And if our viewers have any questions about the topics that we were talking today, access, what you have to move out of the yard before you can start your new pool, they can stop in the showroom and see you.
You can find us at american-pools.com, or even better, you can come down to 7320 Narcoossee Road near Lee Vista in Orlando, Florida. It's our award-winning showroom, multiple bodies of water, interior finishes, paver options. Thank you so much for doing this with me again today.
Thank you. Great to see you again.
Till next time.
Till next time.